Mayank made a bird path for his garden in the shape of a cylinder with a hemispherical depression at one end. The height of the cylinder is 1.45 meter and its radius is 30 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the bird path. Take pi is equal to 22 by 7. So pi is equal to 22 by 7, that is given. Now we will go to the figure. The height of the cylinder is given to be 1.45 meter and radius of the cylinder and radius of the hemisphere both are same in this case, in this problem. So the radius is the common for cylinder and hemisphere, so that is given to be 30 centimeter. That is given in the figure. Now let us go to the solution. Let h be the cylinder and r the common radius of the cylinder and hemisphere. So h is given to be 1.45 meter and radius is 30 centimeter. So radius of the cylinder is same as the radius of the hemisphere and that is equal to 30 centimeter. So all this is given in the problem. Then the total surface area of the bird path is equal to curved surface of cylinder plus curved surface of hemisphere. So that will be the bird path. So which is equal to 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r square. In that we take 2 pi r as common, that is 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. In that we take 2 pi r outside and remaining is h plus r, which is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 30, that is 145 plus 30 centimeter square. So if you calculate, you will have 33,000 centimeter square, which is equal to 3.3 meter square, and that is the solution. So the total surface area of the bird path is 3.3 meter square and that is the solution.